Boom, out here with the Typhon at this construction site. I only got 30 minutes, so let's go. Oh, no. Oh, shit. And we're in. Oh, oh. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that was crazy. It did it. That's going to be it for this bash. My drive shaft popped out and I didn't bring my wheel wrench to put it back in there. I'm going to probably have to get a new arm. It chewed through the arm. So, yeah. But honestly, that was pretty sweet. See if we could drive it back over there. I don't think we can. Oh, I think I got it. I actually think I got it back in. Oh no, I'm bleeding. Look at that for my drive or my outdrive cup. That's crazy. Cut me pretty good. There we go. That was a good one. Oh, that was crazy. I almost hit myself. Oh, yep, she's done. I gotta go. Yep, that was a good bash. I enjoyed it. Super fun. Not the best spot. Super rough. But I had fun on lunch break. That's how you know how you're having fun. You're late to work after this. All right, that's it for old Mr. Typhon.